Alright y'all, today we're reviewing the GEEKOTO Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. This is a professional studio lighting kit that you can use for your at-home YouTube videos and everything. For this nylon bag that it comes in, so for travel you can take it with you. See, it's pretty light, it's not that bad. Let's see what we got on the inside. Everything comes with 2 bulbs, it comes with 2 stands. And it's actually adjustable height. You see, you could just adjust it right here with the clips to rotate it. Just turn it, easily turn. And we're gonna go on and set it up so we can show you how high it is. This is on one of the lower levels, and you'll just kick this out at the bottom to adjust the different heights. You'll pull up right here on top of the stand, and you can adjust the heights to your actual height you desire. It's just easily as turning this knob right here, and boom, it's pretty good to use for your videos. And this is right here set up with the bulb in the inside, and you can see pretty good lighting, and it's pretty easy to set up, and it can rotate around. So if you want to get the GEEKOTO soft lighting box, make sure you check it out.